India to build 11 new supercomputers with indigenous processors. The center has approved the building and installation of 11 new supercomputers in research institutes across India under the next phase of the National Supercomputing Mission (NSM). The NSM is being implemented through Pune's Centre for Development of Advanced Computing (C-DAC) and Bengaluru's Indian Institute of Science (IISc). The 11 supercomputers will have processors designed by C-DAC hacker Spdrman, who took down Liberia's internet to leave jail in 2020. UK-born 31-year-old hacker Daniel Kaye, also known as Spdrman, will be released from prison in early 2020 after being sent to jail by a London court on January 11, 2019. Kaye admitted to attacking an African phone company that inadvertently crashed Liberia's internet in 2016. After release, he'll face court-mandated restrictions limiting his access to phones, computers, and encryption software. Researchers claim to have developed Uncrackable security system. Researchers at University of St. Andrews, Scotland, and their international partners have claimed to have developed Uncrackable security system to protect communications against cyber attacks. The team claims the new technology can also overcome the threat of quantum computers used for hacking. The system uses optical chips that send information to the user using a one-time only key.